This right here is a $5,000 prop firm account that you can use to trade, and you can also withdraw from it. This is not a competition account. This is what you get if you have to pay for a prop firm account, and I will show you how you can get it in this video, so make sure you follow through. So if you know that you're new to this channel, don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe, and also to share with your friends so that they can all benefit from it. Okay, so let's go as I show you how to claim the $5,000 prop firm account. Okay, so for you to get the link, or for you to get access to the link, you go to my description below. So once you go to the description below, then it's going to bring you right here where you're going to see link to sign up, or you can see get the bonus here, or claim the bonus here, or click on the link right here. So once you just see it, you're going to click on the link that you see there. Okay, so once you click on the link, it's going to take you to my Telegram channel. Yeah, it's going to take you to my Telegram channel. So that is where you're going to get the link. Can you see it right here? So that is where you're going to get the link to the video, the link to get the bonus. All right. Yes, so make sure you join my Telegram community or my Telegram channel right here for you to get more updates.
All we do is take a little risk and make plenty of money. That's all we do. Are you prepared to take a little risk?
Okay, so let's talk about the terms and conditions. This is an Aqua funded, instant funded 5K account. Okay, you can see the account size, which is $5,000. You can see the profit slip, which is up to 100%. You can see the leverage, which is 1:50. You can see the maximum daily loss. You can see the maximum and the minimum. You can see the profit target. You can see the withdrawal terms, and so on. So you can just go through it. So after that, it's going to bring you over to this interface where you're going to be seeing what make payments, but we're not making any payment. It is totally free. Okay, it is totally free. We're not making any payments. So this is what the site looks like. Okay, so after that, we're going to be logging in. We are going to be logging in. So we're just going to click on login right here. You can see it. So once you click on login right here, it's going to bring us over to this place where we're going to create an account. So we're just going to click on create one. Then we're going to be imputing our full name and our email with our password. So once we're done doing that, we're going to re-log in again, imputing our email and password. Okay, so this is what the site looks like. So we're not getting a competition account, we are getting a real account. So once you do that, we're going to click on an icon up there. Yes, you're going to see the icon up there. So once you click on it, it's going to bring you over to this place where you're going to click on Aqua Points. So it's going to bring you over to where you're going to click on Aqua Points right here. Okay, so what we are doing is that we want to accumulate points to get the account. So we want to accumulate points to get the account. So you can see the points to be claimed right here, which is 2,690. You can see the total rewards claimed. You can see the total points. You can see the special offer. Okay, so after that, we're going to click on rewards. You can see all the rewards we have here. Yes, you can see the 10K account, you can see the 25K account and the points to claim. You can see the 50K account, you can see the 60K and the points to claim. But we are not after all this. We're after the 5K accounts, and we have to claim 700 points. So once you pass this account and you make profits, you can withdraw. Okay, so this is it right here. These are all the rewards that you are to get. Okay, then after that, we're going to click on task. Yes, see, this is it right here. So once you click on task, then it will show you all the kinds of work that you can do to accumulate points. Okay, you can see it, 40% discount. You can see it right here. Okay, so you have to follow them on Instagram, you have to follow them on Twitter. Okay, so this is it. You have to follow them on Twitter, and there's some points too that you're going to claim. See, you follow them on YouTube, you watch their YouTube videos, you follow them on Telegram, you follow them on Twitter. So these are all the tasks that you need to do to get the account. Okay, so once you accumulate all those points and you get about 700 points easily in a week or less than a week, then you can go and get the instant 5k account. Okay, so this is how to get the 5k account. Just make sure you follow all the tags and all the rewards and get what's accumulated points. So once you get accumulated points, then you'll be able to claim the account. So if you know you got it, just let me know in the comment section. Thank you.